Okay, all you chocolate lovers out there, this one is for you. And as you can see, today I'm baking in a pretty small kitchen. For those of you who don't know, I live full-time in a van and I'm currently traveling in Spain. A few days ago I got these crazy cravings for chocolate and decided to make vegan brownies. And honestly, I loved it so much that I just had to share the recipe with you guys. This is a really easy recipe with ingredients that most of you probably already have at home. So let's start by melting the butter in a pot. When it's completely melted, add the vegan milk and whisk it together. Then we'll mix the dry ingredients in a bowl. Add the milk and the butter and whisk. I usually start by adding about 2/3 of the liquid and then the rest. Whisk until the batter is smooth. If you want to add nuts and chocolate, which I really recommend that you try, because this will take your brownies to the next level. Now is the time to add that. I always save some nuts to put on top of the brownies, but that's completely up to you. And now you just pour the batter into a tray lined with parchment paper. The tray I used is approximately 20 by 25 centimeters or 8 by 10 inches. Lastly, add the rest of the nuts on top of the batter and bake in the middle of the oven for 30 minutes. And now you just cut the brownies into your pieces and you can serve these brownies just as they are. They will be absolutely delicious. Or you can serve them with ice cream or whipped cream and berries or whatever you like with your brownies.